Hey, it's Sally with Sally Solutions. Do you need a product that will remove stains from your laundry that you use before you put them in the washing machine? Lots of the ones that are on the market have toxins in them. And I belong to a store that has whole food quality, Walmart pricing, and it's delivered to your home like Amazon. So this one is their pre-spot product. Okay, it is a concentrate. You can see where some of that's already out of the bottle, and I added that to a bottle that came with it and then filled up the rest with water. So this, I just use it to treat the stains as soon as possible. So you can get a stain on something. Say I got a stain on the shirt. Well, I would use my spray bottle on it. I might not wash that shirt until the next day, if it happens at night, say. But it's already working on the stain so that when it goes into my laundry. This powerful laundry stain remover, powered by 6 natural enzymes, easily lifts the toughest stains out of fabrics, including grass. That's a big one with kids. Tomato sauce. I am having lasagna tonight, and it's almost a guarantee that I will get a tomato sauce stain on me. Oils. One of the other things I do is Scentsy, and so sometimes if it gets too warm, my waxes will start to leak the oils, or if I have wax in a warmer and it gets bumped and it splashes out. I've gotten wax on my clothes before. This will help to remove the oils from the wax, and it also helps to remove blood stains. Okay, it does not come with a mix and spray bottle, so that you would want to get separately. So this is an alternative to, say, if you use Shout to pre-treat your stains before doing your laundry, that doesn't have the harsh chemicals that Shout has. Check out the pre-spot.